In this movie, I will show you how to build a Gothic vault using tooth object in ArchiCAD 12. This is the plan of the vaults that have to be built. I positioned a sphere in every vertex of the future vault cap. It looks like this in 3D. In 3 sections I traced the outline of the vault, curves to guide me and also to keep have constant thickness of the vault. The same here and also in this section. And now let's bring the tooth object. I will transform it in a diagram to work more easily. Let's set up all the vertices. In 3D. Let's lift the object in position. Okay. Okay. Now I will transform the edges in curves. C8, C4 will be transformed in circular curves. With tangent. You may notice that the tangents are up here and they should be in the lower part. And now I will change their position. Now they have to be brought in a vertical position, and I will keep the free movement of the vertices on X and Z and block it on Y. Let's go now to the first section and reposition the tangents. Okay, now they are set up. The resolution of the curves will be changed a little bit later. Let's transform now the curves C5 and C1 in circular arcs with tangent. Here you may notice that the tangents of the curves are already in correct position. The last are the edges for C7 and C3, which will be transformed in 3D spline curves, Bezier curves. I'll set now the movement of the vertices on all three directions. I'll bring the tangents to position, and the curve will be set up correctly. No, the other one. Let's go now to the third section. Here all the tangents will be positioned to their place. Something seems to be wrong here. I think that one of the vertices is not where it should be. Okay, let's set up this tangent also. Okay, and now the opposite tangents. You may notice that the points of the tooth curves follow the outlines already traced. As I already said, the resolution will be changed at the end. Now all the edges are transformed in curves and they are in position. I will proceed to transform the diagram in solid. Okay. And now I will hide the tangents. Let's change the materials. Instead of glass clear, I will put paint. Okay. Paint 14. And now let's change the resolution of the curves. 12, 12, and 12. Okay, I will change the material in the lower part. In fact, the upper surface will be red. I'll let paint 14 in the lower part, and the upper surface will be in red. Paint and set 7. Paint 7, the bricks color. Okay, once this is set up, let's mirror the vault cap. Okay. And now let's multiply it. Three, rotate, distribute, okay, good. In 3D now. This is the vault once it is finished. Okay, thank you very much for looking.